Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got this crossed out icon which is connected with the timer. So let's simply tap on it, and in this device we've got three options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option I'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds, so just let me tap on it. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, so we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not. And now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And of course you can turn it off the same way, so just tap on the icon and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.